to the other end of the train, and we won't have to push it back up the hill to the station.
I'm gonna go to.
If everything goes as planned, we'll return to the station on the same track, but in the opposite direction. Now the seat backs in the coaches and those.
Excuse me, I have YouTube.
Bye, 90.
Cover your ears, it's the air hose.
No. What did he do, Dad? He pressed Dad there? Ready? He pressed it. I never noticed that before. I have. Where's going something?
Then you can go to the other side and turn this back.
Or it might obviously pick up those freight cars and take us back.
That would be cool, huh?
Yeah. But obviously that wouldn't happen.
So as you can see, number 90 is going around and going.
Oh, you're taking video, aren't you?
I got YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube. Hi. It's on my channel.
Will be the back of the train.
No.
Yeah, he's gonna go to the back of the train.
Luckily, you're on the right train. Every 7 o'clock when there's an Amtrack
That's
train.
what we're hoping to see.
Why every 7 o'clock? Grandpa and Grandpa could be on this one.
They would be on a different one because they're headed to Florida right now and they started in Virginia. So they would be at
This could not be an auto train.
It's also a great photo opportunity. Get your cameras out and ready.
Okay, so turn around. Mommy, can I take a picture? No, let's do some.
It's 7 o'clock at night.
Ding, ding.
Eastbound Amtrack train coming around the end of the train here. Keep your eyes peeled on those concrete dry rails.
Yeah!
All right, folks, now, you know they go faster than us, but we make more money.
And that was just Amtrack. We'll see you next time.